How many 10,000s are there in 2,234,188? Ang sagot is 223. Ito po yung solution kung paano nakuha yung sagot na 223. Just simply divide 2,234,188 by 10,000. Kapag pinag-divide po natin sila, ang makukuhang sagot is 223. Ganun lang po siya kasimple kung paano nakuha yung sagot. Nakukuha po. So, next. Anna's house is the 5th from one end of the street and 8th from the other end. How many houses are there along the street? Ang nakuhang sagot is 12. Ito yung solution kung paano nakuha yung 12 na sagot. Sabi niya kasi pang 5th dun sa kabilang dulo. So, pang 5th siya. So, ibig sabihin, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Kasi, kailangan natin malaman kung ilan yung bahay na nandoon sa kabilang dulo. So, pang 5th siya, kaya yung 5 babawasan natin ng 1, kaya ang kapitbahay na doon sa kabilang dulo, ang bahay doon is 4. And then, next is, pang 8 naman siya doon sa kabilang dulo. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So, ibig sabihin, 7 yung bahay naman doon sa kabilang dulo kung saan pang 8 siya. So, para malaman natin kung ilan lahat yung kapitbahay niya doon sa magkabilang dulo, 4 plus 7. So, 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Ibig sabihin, 11 yung bahay na mayroon doon or yung kapitbahay niya. So, tinatanong kasi dito kung ilang bahay meron doon. 11 yung kapitbahay niya or yung bahay na mayroon doon plus yung bahay ni Ana. Kaya 1 plus 11 is equal to 12. So, ibig sabihin 12 lahat ng bahay doon sa street na yon. Okay po. So, next. The base of an isosceles triangle is 10 cm and one of its legs is 18 cm. What it is perimeter? Ang nakuhang sagot is 46. Paano nakuha yung sagot na 46? So, here's the solution. Una, kukunin muna natin yung formula ng perimeter. So, ito yung nakuha nating formula ng perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2A plus B. A represents the side and B is the base. So, ngayon, nakuha na natin yung formula. Isa-substitute natin yung mga given number, ay given value. So, P is equal to 2, tapos yung isang side is 18, tapos yung base niya is 10. So, uunahin muna natin. 2 times 18 is equal to 36 plus 10. 36 plus 10 is equal to 46. Next. What number is 27 less than the sum of 50 and 15? Ang sagot na nakuha is 38. So, ito yung solution kung paano nakuha yung sagot na 38. Kukunin muna natin yung sum ng 50 tsaka 15. So, 50 plus 15 is equal to 65. And then, nakuha na natin yung sum, ima-minus natin yung sum ng 50 tsaka 15 sa 27. 65 minus 27 is equal to 38. Kaya nakuha yung sagot na 38. Obviously, 27 is less than the sum of 50 and 15 na 65. So, yun po. Next. Arnold can walk 19.5 km in 3 hours. How many kilometers can he walk in 4 hours? Ang nakuhang sagot is 26 km. Ito yung solution kung paano nakuha yung sagot na 26 km. 19.5 km divided by 3 hours is equal to 6.5 km. Ibig sabihin, kung si Arnold ay nakapaglakad ng 19.5 km sa loob ng 3 oras, ibig sabihin, bawat oras ang nalalakad niya is 6.5 kilometer. Kaya ang equivalent ng 1 hour is 6.5 kilometer. Ang tinatanong kasi doon, ilan yung malalakad ni Arnold sa loob ng 4 na oras. So, 6.5 kilometer times 4 hours is equal to 26 kilometer. Ibig sabihin, sa loob ng 4 na oras, nakapaglakad si Arnold ng 26 kilometer. Kaya po nakuha yung sagot na 26 kilometer. Next. What is 20% of 150? Ang sagot is 30. So, paano nakuha yung sagot na 30? Next. Una, ituturn natin yung 20% into decimal form. So, pag tinurn natin yung 24% into decimal form, magiging 0.20 siya. So, 1 para may-multiply natin siya sa 150. 150 times 0.20 is equal to 30. So, ibig sabihin, ang 20% ng 150 is 30. Kaya nakuha yung sagot na 30. Okay po? So, next. The sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 93. What is the smallest number? Ang sagot is 30. Tignan natin kung paano nakuha yung sagot na 30. So, ito yung solution. Mag-start tayo sa pinakamababa. Doon, sabi kasi dito, consecutive numbers na 3 na pag pinag-add, ang magiging sagot is 93. So, ang inuna ko, magbabay 10 tayo. So, ibig sabihin ito. 10 plus 11 plus 12 is equal to 23. So, ibig sabihin, itong 3 consecutive numbers na to, na 10, 11, tsaka 12, pag pinag-add siya, is, hindi ito yun yung sagot kasi, hindi lumabas yung 93. So, next, mag-try tayo sa 20. 20 plus 21 plus 22 is equal to 63. So, yung 20, 21, tsaka 22, 3 consecutive numbers na pag pinag-add is 63 yung sagot. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ito yon. Next, punta tayo sa 30. 30 plus 31 plus 32 is equal to 93. So, ibig sabihin, ito siya. Ito yung 3 consecutive numbers na pinag-add na ang sagot is 93. Ang tinatanong dito, ang pinakamababa daw is 30. So, obviously, ito yung solution doon. 30 plus 31 plus 32 is equal to 93. Ito yung 3 consecutive numbers na pinag-add. Na ang nakuhang sagot is 93. Ang pinakamababa is 30.
A store is offering a 30% discount to all its items. If the tag price of a pair of shoes is 1,500, how much will it be after the discount? So, dapat ang maging sagot ay 1,050 pesos. So, ang sinasabi dito, yung store, nag-offer sila ng 30% discount sa lahat ng items. Tapos, ang isang pares ng sapatos ay nagkakahalagang 1,500 pesos. Ngayon, ang tinatanong dito kung magkano daw ba yung discount ng 1,500 pesos. So, ang given dito is 30% and 1,500. So, ngayon, yung 30%, i-convert natin siya into decimal. Kaya, naging 0.3. Ngayon naman, i-multiply natin yung 1,500 sa 0.3. So, 3 times 0 is equals to 0. 3 times 0 is equals to 0. 3 times 5 is equals to 15. Carry 1. 3 times 1 is equals to 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So, 0 times 0 is equals to 0. Pag 0 yung minultiply, automatic 0 lahat ng sagot. So, 0 yan lahat. Ngayon, baba natin 0, 0, 5, 4, then 0. Ngayon, meron siyang decimal point, kaya maglalagay din tayo ng decimal point. So, we start from right to left. So, dito natin ilalagay yung decimal point. Kaya magiging sagot ay 450. So, next step is 1,500, subtract natin sa 450. So, 0 minus 0. So, yung 0 magiging 10. Tapos yung 5 magiging 4. 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. 5 minus 10 is equals to 5. 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. Then, baba natin si 1. Ngayon, yung discount ng isang pares na sapatos is 1,050 pesos. Next, in the number 47 blank, what is the digit to be placed on the blank so that the number is divisible by 6? So, kailangan ang lalabas na sagot dito is 4. So, ang tanong dito, ano daw ba yung digit number na pwede nating ilagay sa blank na pwedeng i-divide sa 6? So, ang mangyayari, magkakaroon ng trial and error. Itatry natin yung 1 hanggang sa makuha natin kung ano yung number na pwedeng i-divide sa 6. So, 471 divided 6 is equals to 78.5. So, hindi siya pwede kasi may point siya. Try naman natin yung number 2. 472 divided 6 is equals to 78.666. So, halos magkaparehas lang sila ni 1. Try naman natin si 3. 473 divided 6 is equals to 78.833. Hindi pa rin siya pwede, kaya try naman natin si 4. So, 474 divided 6 is equals to 79. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, para malaman kung 4 ba talaga yung ilalagay natin sa blank,
Imumultiply natin yung 79 sa 6.
so 6 times 9 is equals to 54 carry 5. 6 times 7 is equals to 42 plus 5, kaya 47. So, ang number na pwedeng i-divide sa 6 ay 4. Next, 1/2 kilo of used newspaper costs 36 pesos. How much does 3/4 of a kilo cost? So, ang magiging sagot ay 54 pesos. Ang given natin ay 1/2 of kilo newspaper ay nagkakahalagang 36 pesos. Ngayon, ang tinatanong dito kung magkano daw ba yung 3/4 kilo of newspaper. So, ito yung magiging solution natin. So, una,
Mag-iisip tayo kung ilang kilo ba ang idadagdag sa 1/2 na ang sagot ay 3/4.
so naisip ko, ilan yung kalahati ng 1/2? Di ba 1/4? So, 1/2 plus 1/4 is equals to 3/4. So, kung ang 1/2 is 36, ilan naman yung 1/4? Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin si 36 sa 2. Kaya, ang magiging sagot ay 18. Ngayon, ang 1/2 is 36, ang 1/4 naman is 18. So, ang gagawin natin, i-plus natin si 36, tapos 18. Kaya, 36 plus 18 is equals to 54. Kaya, ang bayad ng 3/4 kilo of newspaper is 54 pesos. Next, what is the sum of the measures of the angles of a heptagon? Ang sagot ay 900 degree. Next, so, ito yung heptagon. Ang tinatanong dito kung ilan daw ba yung kabuuan ng sukat ng bawat angle sa heptagon. So, bago natin kunin yun, alamin muna natin kung ilan ba yung angles na meron sa heptagon. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So, ang heptagon ay merong 7 angles.
So, ito yung magiging formula. Open parenthesis, n minus 2, close parenthesis, x times 180 degree. So, yung n, yun yung 7 angles of heptagon. Yung 2 naman is a constant number. Tapos, yung 180 degree, yun yung measures of the angles of heptagon.
So, eto naman yung magiging solution natin. Open parenthesis, n minus 2, close parenthesis, times 180 degree. So, 7 minus 2 times 180 degree. Ngayon, unahin muna natin nasa loob ng parenthesis.
So, 7 minus 2 is equals to 5 times 180 degree. Kaya is equals to 900 degree. So, the sum of measures of the angles of heptagon is 900 degree. So, next question is, what is the largest 4-digit even number that can be formed using the digits 8, 1, 7, and 5 ones? So, dapat ang maging sagot natin ay 7, 5, 1, 8. Ngayon, ang sabi dito, merong 4-digit number. Sa kanilang apat, alin dito yung pinakamalaki at even number. So, ang even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So, in this 4-digit number, 5 is odd number, 7 is odd number, and 1 is odd number also, then 8 is even number. So, sa kanilang apat, ang pinakamalaki and even number ay si 8. Ngayon, may natitirang 3-digit number. So, sa 3-digit number na to, alin sa kanila yung pinakamalaki? Si 5 ba? No, kasi mas malaki si 7 kaysa sa 5. Si 1 ba? Hindi rin, kasi mas malaki si 5 kaysa sa 1. So, ilalagay natin is 7. So, ang sumunod sa 7 ay si 5. So, ang pinakamaliit na odd number na natira ay si 1. So, yan yung magiging sagot. Next, the length of a rectangle is 4 cm longer than its width. So, if its area is 96 square centimeter, what is its length? Ang sagot ay 12 cm. So, paano natin kukunin yan? Now, our formula for width is A divide L, and here is our solution. So, W is equals to A 96 divide L is 12. So, 96 divide 12 is equals to 8. So, ang formula natin para sa perimeter is P is equals to 2, open parenthesis, L plus width, close parenthesis. So, the solution, 12 plus 8 is equals to 20. 2 times 20 is equals to 40. So, ngayon, i-check natin kung tama ba na 12 yung length. So, ang mangyayari, L is equals to P divide 2 minus width. So, P is 40 divide 2. W is 8. So, mangyayari, 40 divide 2 minus 8. Ang magiging sagot ay 12.
Next, a school hired several buses to take 446 pupils on a field trip. If each bus can accommodate at most 70 pupils, at least how many buses should be hired? So, dapat ang magiging sagot ay 7.
So, merong 446 pupils. I-assume na lang natin na 446 silang lahat. Then, sa isang bus, ang kaya lang nitong isakay ay 70
pupils. So, ang tinatanong kung ilang bus daw ba yung i-hire ng school para maisakay yung 446 na pupils. So, ngayon naman, ang gagawin natin para malaman kung ilang bus ba yung kailangan nilang i-hire, ay di-divide natin yung 446 pupils at 70 pupils per bus. So, pupils cancel out. Ilang 70 ba ang meron sa 446? So, ang sagot ay 6.37. Kung 6 buses lang ang i-hire ng school, may matitirang 37 pupils. Kaya naman magdadagdag tayo ng isa para maging 7 buses. So, pag 7 buses ang hinire ng school, maisasakay lahat ng 446 pupils.
Here is the first question. So, round the sum of 644,338 and 758,884 to the nearest thousand. So, here is the answer. 1,403,000. And paano po nangyari yon? Here is the solution. So, first, I'm going to give a note or a rule in round of the nearest thousands. So, ito po. Una, i-determine natin yung thousand place. Kung babaguhin ba natin or not. Second, i-check din natin yung 100 place kasi yung 100 place po ang magde-decide kung babaguhin natin or hindi natin babaguhin yung 1000 place. Another, if the 100 digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, change the hundreds, tens, and ones to 0 and keep the thousands digit unchanged. And last, if the hundreds digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, and add 1 to the thousands digit and change the hundreds, tens, and so on to 0. So, same lang po siya dito sa pangatlong rule. Pero ang pinagkaiba po nila, pag 5 to 9 po yung kanilang hundreds, madadagdagan ng 1 yung thousands. So, since ang sabi kanina is round the sum of yung two numbers into the thousand or into the nearest thousands, ang una nating gagawin is ipagpa-plus or isa-sum yung dalawang number. The 644,338 plus 758,884. So, it is equal to 1,403,222. So, i-round off na natin siya into the nearest thousand. So, sabi kanina sa first, alamin natin kung asan ba yung thousand place. So, ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Therefore, ang thousands pa natin is the number 3. Second, check din natin yung 100 place. So, ang 100 place pa natin is number 2. So, ano po yung sinabi kanina sa number 3 notes? So, kapag ang 100 digit po natin or 100 place po natin ay 1, 2, 3, 4, hindi po natin mababago ang 1000 place. And the ones, tens, hundred will become 0. So, kaya ang sagot is 1,403,000. So, next. 20 rabbits are put in 4 cells so that there are different number of rabbits in each cell. And each cell contains at least 3 rabbits. So, what is the largest possible number of rabbits in one cell? So, the answer is 8 rabbits. So, paano po nangyari? Let's show our solution. So, here are the 20 rabbits and we have the 4 cells. So, ang gagawin lang po natin para ma-identify yung pinakamaraming laman ng isang cell, i-distribute po natin lahat ng rabbits sa mga cell. So, sabi kanina, at least 3 yung laman ng isang cell. So, therefore, magkakaiba yung laman ng mga cell. Pero hindi siya bababa ng 3 rabbits in each cells. So, here, naglagay ako ng sa unang cell ng 3 rabbit. Sa pangalawa, naglagay ako ng 4. Sa pangatlo, naglagay ako ng 5. So, meron na natitirang 2, 4, 6, 8. So, ang gagawin ko sa 8 na rabbit is ipupunta ko siya sa pang-4 na cell. So, tingnan natin kung tama yung sagot natin. We are going to ipag-add natin to lahat. So, we have 3, 4, 5, and 8. So, 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 20 rabbits. And the possible highest number of rabbits in one cell is equal to 8. So, next. What is 45 meter per minute in centimeter per second? The answer is 75. So, show the solution. 45 meter per minute is multiplied by centimeter per second. So, now, ang problema natin, ano ba yung equivalent ng 1 meter per minute sa centimeter per second? So, ang 1 meter per minute po natin is equivalent to 1.667 centimeter per second. Now, para makuha natin yung 45 meter per minute, ang gagawin po natin is imumultiply ang 45 meter per minute in 1.667 centimeter per seconds. And then, the answer is 75.00015 or 75. Since, dalawang number lang po yung kukunin natin. So, the answer will be 75 centimeter per second. So, meron pa tayong 75 sa 45 meter per minute. So, simplify this equation and it will become number 4. And here is our solution for this problem. So, sa una, makikita natin parang ang sakit sa mata or ang sakit sa isip na isolve yung gantong klase ng problem pag naka-bracket. So, una natin gagawin, pasisimplihin natin yung equation in easiest way na mas madadalian tayong isolve. From this equation to this. So, yan. Mas madali na siya. Mas madali na siyang masosolve, hindi yung isang diretsahan. So, kapag ganito po yung equation, una natin gagawin is isolve yung mga nasa parentheses para matanggal natin yung bracket. So, unahin natin is 3 plus 6, the 4 minus 2, and 6 divided by 2. And it goes like this. So, yan. So, let's copy the 2. Then, ipagpa-plus natin yung 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So, parenthesis pa rin po siya. Copy the minus 3. And 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then, divided by 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So, kapag sinolve mo natin siya, magiging operational po nito close and open parenthesis is multiplication. So, we're going to multiply the 2 multiplied by 9 is equal to 18, and negative 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. Then copy the 3. So 18 minus 6 will be 12 over 3 or divided by 3. So i-divide po natin ang 12 and 3. And ang magiging sagot is 4. Next.
A man sold 1/5 of his land and then sold again 2/3 of what remained. He had 3 1/3 hectares left. How much land had he at first? So the answer is 12 1/2 hectares. So, ngayon, alamin natin kung paano nakuha yung 12 1/2 na hectares na sagot. So, let's find out. So, 1 minus 1/5. Ipagmaminus natin yung 1 kay 1/5 kasi nga, yun yung unang binenta, yun yung unang bilang na binenta ng man sa kanyang lupa. So, 1 minus 1/5 is equals to 5 times 1 is equals to, very good, it's still 5. Then, 5 minus 1 is equals to, tama, 4. Then, copy lang natin yung denominator na 5. Then, proceed. Times 2/3. So, yung 2/3, yun yung given nandun sa problem para malaman natin kung ilan nga ba yung pangalawang binenta sa lupa. So, 4/5 times 2/3. Yung 4/5, yun yung natira dun sa unang binenta. Dun sa 1/5. So, 4/5 times 2/3 is equals to 4 times 2. Very good. It's 8. Then, 5 times 3? Tama, 15. Yung 8 over 15, yun yung pangalawang benta nung man sa kanyang lupa. Next. So, para malaman natin kung ilan ba yung kabuuan na binenta nung lalaki sa kanyang lupa, pagsasamahin lang natin si 1/5 kay 8 over 15. So, 1/5 plus 8 over 15. So, it equals, proceed na ba tayo? Pagsamahin ba natin agad-agad kahit magkaiba yung kanilang denominator? Hindi. Dapat magkapareho yung denominator nung dalawang fraction. So, paano naman natin gagawin na pareho yung denominator? So, mag-iisip tayo ng number na pwedeng i-divide kay 15 at kay 5. So, ano nga ba yung number na pwede nating i-divide kay 15 at kay 5? Very good. It's 15. So, yun yung magiging denominator. So, 15 divide it by 5 is equals to, very good, 3. Then, 3 times 1 is equals to, of course, 3. Then, copy lang natin yung sign na plus. Then, 15 divided by 15 is equals to 1. Then, 1 times 8 is equals to, of course, it's still 8. Then, ayan, pwede na ba tayong mag-proceed into addition? Of course, kasi nga, parehas na sila ng denominator. So, 8 plus 3 is equals to 11. Then, copy yung denominator na 15. So, yung 11 over 15 yung kabuuang binenta na dun sa lupa. So, 1 minus 11 over 15 is equals to, Paano kaya to? So, ganito lang yung ginawa natin kanina sa 1 and 1 minus 1/5. Ganun lang yon. So, 15 times 1 is still, of course, 15. Then, 15 minus 11 is equals to, tama, 15 minus 11 is equals to 4. Then, copy lang natin yung denominator na 15. Sabi niya, may natirang 3 and 1/3 dun sa kanyang lupa. So, si 3 and 1/3 is also equals to 10/3. So, paano nangyaring si 3 and 1/3 ay kapareho ni 10/3? Ganito lang yan. So, 3 times 3 is equals to, very good, 9. Then, 9 plus 1 is equals to, tama, 10. So, iyon yung 10 na numerator. Then, copy lang natin yung denominator na 3. So, proceed tayo para malaman natin yung kabuuang bilang kung ilang hectares nga ba yung lupa niya. Kailangan natin ipag-divide si 4/15 kay 10/3. So, si 4 tsaka si 10, pwede natin siyang paliitin yung bilang nila. Pwede siyang i-divide kay 2. So, 2 divided by 4 is equals to 2. Tama. Then, 10 divide mo kay 2 is equals to 5. Si 15 tsaka si 3, pwede pa itong paliitin yung, pwede silang i-divide saan? Tama, kay 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. Then, si 15. 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. Then, gagamit tayo ng cross multiplication para malaman natin yung sagot. Then, 5 times 5 is equals to, very good, 25. Then, 2 times 1 is equals to, of course, 2. So, si 25/2, pwede ba natin silang i-divide? Ito na ba yung sagot o pwede pa natin silang i-divide? What do you think? Of course, pwede pa natin i-divide sa 25/2. So, 25/2 is equals to 12.5 or 12 and 1/2. Pag gumamit tayo ng calculator at tinype natin yung 25 divided by 2, ang lalabas dyan, 12.5. Pero, pag hindi ka pa marunong gumamit ng calculator o wala kang calculator habang nagka-calculate ito, pwede tayong gumamit ng gantong method. So, para ang lalabas is si 12 and 1/2. So, paano yon? Ito siya. Divide mo siya kay yung 25 kay 2. So, unahin muna natin itong 2 dito sa 25. So, 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. Then, 2 times 1 is equals to, of course, 2. Then, minus, si 2 minus 2, meron pa ba? O wala na. So, 0 na siya. Kaya, bring down 5. So, saan natin pwedeng pag dinivide natin si 2 kay 5, ilan na magiging sagot? Of course, 2. So, 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Then, minus natin. 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. So, dito makikita mo pa lang na ang answer is 12 and 1/2. So, dito, di ba, yun yung whole number, yung 12. Then, yung remain, yun yung naging numerator. And yung, kung saan natin siya pinag-divide yung 25, yun yung naging denominator. Kaya, ang sagot ay 12 and 1/2. So, next problem. Sabi niya, if 4 apples cost the same as 9 bananas and 4 melons cost the same as 10 bananas, how many melons can be bought for the price of 20 apples? So, the answer is 18. So, paano kaya nakuha yung sagot na 18 dito sa problem na to? So, let's find out. Sabi niya, in every 1, 2, 3, 4 apples ay katumbas ng presyo ng ilang bananas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, yung presyo ng 4 na apples ay kapareho lang ng presyo na 9 ng bananas. Then, ilan kaya itong melon na to? O, count tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Itong 4 na melon na to ay katumbas ng presyo ng ilang bananas. Sabi niya kanina ay, count tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bananas. So, yung 4 na melons ay katumbas ng presyo ng 10 bananas. Yung hinahanap niya, ilang apples, ilang melon, ang meron sa 20 apples. So, sabi niya, 20 apples ay kailangan nating malaman kung ilang melons ang mabibili natin. Katumbas ng 20 apples. So, sabi niya kanina, in every 4 apples ay merong 9 na bananas. So, ito, 4 to 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang meron dito ay 9 na bananas. Then, another 4 apples and another 9 bananas. Then, ito pa. Same lang din. Then, ito rin. Ito. Then, ito. Then, ito. So, ilan kayang bananas ang meron sa 20 apples? Count tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So, meron palang 45 na bananas ang meron sa katumbas ng presyo ng 20 apples. So, sabi niya kanina, merong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ay katumbas ng presyo ng ilang melons? 1, 2, 3, 4 melons. Yung kanina, ang nabilang natin sa 20 apples ay 45 na bananas. So, sabi niya kanina, in every 10 bananas ay katumbas ng presyo ng 4 na melons. So, count tayo para malaman natin. So, isa-isahin natin ha. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Katumbas ng presyo ng 4 na melons. Ito pa, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, may 4 melons ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another 4 melons. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another 4 melons again. Paano kaya to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bananas lang ang meron. Sabi niya, 10 dapat kapag merong 4 na melons. 5 lang to. O, ilang melons kayang meron sa 5 bananas? Pag dinivide natin, ang kalahati ng 10 is 5. So, dapat ang kalahati ng 4 na melons na to ay 2. Tama. So, sabi niya kanina, ilang melons ang meron sa 20 apples. So, ito na, bilangin na natin siya. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, meron palang 18 melons sa 20 apples. So, same price sila. So, next problem po tayo. Alvin can finish cleaning their house in 4 hours, while his younger sister can finish it in 6 hours. If they do it together, what fraction of the house can they clean in an hour? So, the answer is 5/12. So, paano ba natin nakuha yung 5/12 na answer dito sa problem na to? So, let's find out. Sabi niya, si Alvin ay natapos maglinis within 4 hours sa assume natin in one day, 4 hours lang yung nagamit na Google niyang oras sa paglilinis, tapos na siya. So, isa-isang araw merong 24 hours. Yung younger sister niya, 6 hours daw. So, pagsamahin natin siya kasi nga, sabi niya dun sa may problem, do it together. So, plus 6. Sa isang araw merong 24 hours. So, proceed na ba tayo? Kasi nga, pareha sila ng denominator. So, it equals to 4 plus 6 is equals to, very good, it's 10. Then, copy the denominator, 24. So, pwede pa kaya nating i-simplest form itong 10 over 24? Saan kaya? So, 10 over 24 can be divided both sides to, of course, to 2. So, 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5 over 12. Tapos, yung 24 divided by 2 is equals to 12. So, the answer is 5 over 12. So, next problem po tayo. 2 trains leave 2 different towns. Sabi niya, 250 kilometer away from each other and travel toward each other at the rates of 40 and 50 kilometer per hour, respectively. In how many hours are they 43 kilometer apart? So, the answer is 2.3. So, paano nakuha yung 2.3 na sagot dito sa problem na to? So, let's find out. Sabi niya, 250 kilometer. So, si 250, pag ma-minus natin siya sa hinahanap na sa 43. So, it equals to 250 minus 43 is equals to, very good, it's 0, 207. So, sabi niyo 40 and 50 kilometer per hour. So, i-add natin si 40 kay 50. So, 40 plus 50 is equals to 90. So, para malaman natin yung sagot, we need to divide 207 kay 90. So, 207 divided it by 90 is equals to 2.3. Naiintindihan po ba? Okay, next problem. Sabi niya, how many prime numbers less than 100 are there? So, the answer is 25. So, we need, paano natin malalaman na ang sagot ay 25? Ang laki ng bilang ng 100. Ano kaya yung prime numbers? So, let's find out. Sabi niya, yung prime numbers is a number that can only be divided by itself and one without remainder. So, ano kaya yung mga number less than 100 ang nadidivide sa kanilang sarili and kay 1 na walang remainders? So, si 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. So, ang tanong, ilan daw sila? So, count tayo, ilan ba tong lahat na tong less than 100 ang prime numbers? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So, the answer is 25. Naiintindihan po ba? Okay.
So there are 2,100 pupils in a school and 60% of the pupils are children with an OFW parent. So how many pupils in this school have parents who are not OFW? So the answer is 840. So paano po nangyari? So this is under the clincher. So there are 2,100 pupils in a school, and 60% of the pupils are children with an OFW parents. So how many pupils in this school have parents who are not OFW? So the answer is 840. So solve natin. So ito yung pagbabasehan natin. So meron tayong kabuuang 2,100 na mag-aaral. Then 60% sa kanila ay may magulang na OFW, and ang hahanapin po natin is yung mga mag-aaral na ang magulang ay hindi OFW. So first, we are going to find the value of 60%. So para makuha po natin yon, gagawin natin 60 divided by 100. And it will become 0.6 or 0.60. And now, para makuha natin yung value ng 60% sa 2,100 na total population, i-multiply natin siya sa 0.6 or 60. So it will become 1,260. Yung 1,260 po na iyan, ito po yung mga mag-aaral na ang parents nila ay OFW. And now, ang hahanapin natin is yung mga mag-aaral na ang magulang ay hindi OFW. So ang gagawin po natin, i-minus natin itong 60% na ito, or ito yung mga magulang ay OFW sa kabuuan ng population ng mag-aaral, which is 2,100. So 2,100 minus 1,260 is equal to 840. So 840 are the pupils who have parents who are not OFW. If the base angles of an isosceles triangle are 15 larger than the vertex angle, what are the angles of the triangle? So we have 50 degrees, 65 degrees, and 65 degrees ulit. So let's solve it. So ang isosceles triangle po ay mayroong tagsi 60 degrees sa vertex, base angle, and the another base angle. So, ganito po siya. So, kapag pinagsama, yung 60 degrees plus 60 degrees plus 60 degrees ay ang kabuuan po ng isosceles triangle is 180. Now, think of 3 numbers na pwede nating ilagay na magiging value ng each angles or ng base angle. So now, if base is 15 larger, means na yung dalawang base is the same while yung vertex or the angle above is 15 degrees shorter. So think of 3 numbers wherein the 2 are the same while the other is different, which is yung vertex. So dapat magkaparehas yung dalawang base angle niya. Na pag pinag-add natin, yung ilalagay natin sa base tsaka dun sa vertex is equal to 180. Kasi yun yung equal angles na mayroon ng isosceles triangle. So, let's have 65. If 65 degrees yung isang side, meaning 65 degrees din po yung another side. So, ang hahanapin na lang natin is yung vertex. So, ang base angle natin is 65 degrees. So, to determine the value or yung vertex, ipagpa-plus natin yung dalawang base angle. So, 65 degrees plus 65 degrees is equal to 130. Okay, ang lahat po ng angle ng isosceles triangle is equal to 180. So, ang gagawin natin, 130 degrees minus 180 degrees. And it is equal to 50 degrees. So, yung 50 degrees po na yun yung vertex na hinahanap natin.
A rectangular paper 5 cm by 14 cm is to be cut completely into square pieces. What is the least number of pieces that can be made? So, the answer is 7. So, paano kaya nakuha tong 7 na answer dito sa problem na to? So, let's find out. Sabi niya, 5 cm by 14 cm. So, dito sa 14 na to, ay merong dalawang 5. So, 5 times 2 is equals to 10. Then, 14 minus 10, ito tsaka to, is equals to 4. Then, sabi niya, 5 centimeters by 14 centimeters. So, kunin natin itong 5 na to. Dito. Lagyan natin siya dito. So, sa 5 centimeters, sa 5 na to, merong isang 4. So, 1 times 4 is equals to still 4. Then, 5 minus 4 is equals to, very good, 1. So, di ba dito, yung sa 14 minus 10, may naiwan na 4, correct? Yes. So, dito natin siya lagay. So, sa 4 na yon na naiwan dito sa 14 minus 10, merong 4 squares. So, 4 times 1 is still 4. So, 4 minus 4 is equals to, very good, 0. So, ang tanong niya kanina, ilan nga bang squares ang meron sa 5 centimeters by 14 centimeters? So, i-add lang natin tong mga ito. Itong mga naka-dark blue circle na to. So, 2 plus 1 plus 4 is equals to, very good, 7. So, 7 is the answer. So, next problem. How many complete turns will a car wheel with a diameter of 70 cm make to cover 0.28 km? So, the answer is 127. So, paano nga ba nakuha tong sagot na to dito sa problem na to? So, let's find out. So, sabi niya, convert muna natin yung kilometer into centimeter. So, sabi niya, in every 1 centimeter is equals to 100,000 kilometer. Eh, yung 0.28 kilometer, ilang centimeter kaya to? So, ang gagawin natin para malaman natin is imumultiply natin si 0.28 times 100,000. So, the answer is 28,000 centimeter. So, this is the distance the wheel will going to cover. So, next, gamitin natin tong formulang to. Circumference is equals to pi times the diameter. So, pi has a constant value of 3.14. Tama. Tapos, given na kanina sa diameter yung ilan? 70 centimeter. Tama. So, anong gagawin natin? Gagayahin lang natin tong formulang to para malaman yung sagot. So, proceed tayo. So, C is equals to ilan yung value ng pi? Of course, 3.14 times yung diameter is, tama, 70. So, 3.14 times 70 is equals to, very good, 219.912 centimeter. So, in every turn, the wheel can consume 219.912 centimeter of the distance that the wheel will going to cover. So, next, yung 28,000 centimeters, we need to divide it to 219.912 centimeters para malaman natin yung answer. So, it equals to 127.32 centimeter. Paano po yan? Kailangan natin siyang i-round off. So, paano nga ba mag-round off? So, sabi, pag 4 pababa, mag-stay yung number na to as in 7 lang siya. While kapag 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, mag-a-add tayo dito ng 1. Kaya yung 7, for example, itong 7, magiging 8. Paano yun? 3 tsaka 2. Hindi naman siya 5 pataas. Kung lang siya 4 pababa. So, mag-stay si 7 as 7. So, the answer is 127.